Jay, thank you for joining me today to talk about CoreLogic's vision for the future of mortgage servicing. Let's start with how CoreLogic helps its customers increase efficiency and reduce operating costs.
Yeah, we believe that when the homeowner, the agency, and the servicer all operate on the same information, that single source of truth, that the process will flow quicker, easier, and more efficiently for all those parties involved. And I believe that CoreLogic is uniquely positioned to do that. And let me give you a couple of examples. First is our tax collector portal. This is our self-serve website that the taxing agencies use to supply us with bill information, as well as for us to supply them with the payment information so that they can post it to their systems. This portal is secure, allowing for easy file transfer and automation. The second one is our digital tax portal. The digital tax portal is a portal used by our servicers to see each and every step of the payment process, whether that's setting up the lien or the loan, or being able to manage it through the payment cycle, or provide decisions on where each of those liens and loans are. This is self-serve, doesn't require anyone to call, and be able to see the status, not only from a loan and lien level, from a macro as far as a portfolio level. And then the third one is our digital tax TruePay. And this is the system that allows us to check right before the payment goes out the door to make sure that it has the correct amount. And I'm really proud of the team here because this process, this data ingestion, used to take multiple days or even up to a week. And with the work that they've done, we've been able to get it down to minutes. And this really speaks to, getting the correct amount at the right time for the right parcels on the first time. And we believe this approach really helps our servicers drive down costs and create greater efficiency. And, the good thing about this is these are part of our basic offerings. So whether you have 200 loans or 2 million loans, you and your homeowners can benefit from these.
Interesting. So let's talk a little bit more about technology. And as technology plays a pivotal role in loan servicing, how is CoreLogic staying ahead of that curve, particularly in leveraging AI?
We hear from homeowners that they're seeing an increase in insurance and property taxes, and this is primarily due to home valuations rising. And so what we've done is we've created an AI-enabled model that can accurately predict the future property tax amounts. And this is important because if you're a servicer, you don't want to find out 30 days from that payment due date that you've got a large escrow shortage. Or as a homeowner who has a 30-year mortgage, confused about why your mortgage is going up, and being able for a servicer to explain that and be able to help them understand why that mortgage payment is going up. And so this AI-enabled model allows us to give a future-looking and more time to those servicers and homeowners to let them know what's taking place. The cool thing about this AI model is that we've been testing it for a while, and it's allowed us to backtest that information and that prediction. And what that means is that about 6 months ago, we ran this model and then waited to see what the actual amounts were, the actual property taxes. And we found out that we had a really great accuracy. In some cases, we're seeing it 98% or 99%, not in the totality, but at the lien level. And so this becomes a very valuable tool for servicers to know what that escrow shortage is going to be, as well as to explain it to homeowners. It also helps our local government agencies to know what's coming through, as well as for budgeting. And so we also see a lot of opportunity in AI across our homeowner service, as well as in our call center.
You mentioned the homeowner and the homeowner experience and how AI can enhance that. Let's talk about how that's a paramount need here and improving that experience. How has CoreLogic leveraged its technology to assess borrower needs and increase satisfaction?
So we've learned from our largest call center that has over 49 million loans under service what the top questions are that they call in about. And those are really pretty basic, but how much is my property tax going to be? When is it going to be due? And has it been paid? And in our call center, we wanted to make those questions easier for our homeowners to get the answer to. We didn't want them to have to wait on the phone. And so what we did was took the data that we have within our technology and make that available to the phone system so that the homeowner can just instantly get it on the phone without having to wait. And we leveraged that in our IVR system, which really gave us faster responses for those homeowners. And what we'd like to do is then transition it from our system and expose it and be able to impact more homeowners by making it available in our servicers, IVR, customer portal, as well as our mobile apps. And so to do that, we've created what we call the Digital Tax Connect, is an API that allows our servicers to call that and then expose that information out to those homeowners. This connects our over 24,000 agencies and our near real-time data directly to the homeowner. And, this has had a big impact in our call center. And we see that customers are getting about 52% of those customers calling in get a faster response using this data and technology.
Quick responses, mobile apps, APIs, I love it. Now, let's get into a really important question that's top of mind, compliance. How does CoreLogic ensure compliance in an increasingly complex regulatory environment?
Allison, we have a dedicated compliance team that helps our clients and CoreLogic in really two key areas. First, they keep up with the newly enacted laws and regulations that could impact our clients. This makes our technology and our operations are always compliant and meeting the needs of our customers. And in the second one, we take many requests from our clients. These include compliance, vendor management, regulatory needs, and those to support compliance audits at our clients' facilities. And this dedicated team has thousands of docs that cover controls and policies and are easily and quickly able to convey those to our clients to support those requests. And given the size of our customer base, we get exposed to a wide range of requests, including the ultra-conservative, maybe even the more liberal. This allows us to continue to build our repository for ready to supply information to our customers that's unmatched. Allison, it's a little bit off of compliance, but the thing that really gets me excited and what keeps me going in my day is behind every loan is a family home. And in that family home is one of our payment process brothers or sisters, is one of our call agents' cousins, aunts, or uncles, or in that home is one of our products managers' mother or father. And I want to make sure they can focus on their family and their home and not the loan. And that's why every loan matters to me and my team.
I love that. Ensuring that you see the people behind the data. What an amazing concept. Jay, thank you so much for joining me today and sharing information on CoreLogic's vision for the future of mortgage servicing. To our audience, for more information about CoreLogic and the vision that they have, click the link below.